This is the most beautiful country that you never heard of. So today we fly into the amazing country called Georgia. Georgia is one of those countries that not a lot of people know, but still this is one of the unique places in the world you should visit. Not only because of the amazing nature, of course, but also because of the amazing culture. And because it is not that well known, this country, you will not find too many tourists here, and that makes this destination so unique. The nature is as beautiful or even more beautiful than the Alps we do have in Switzerland, France or Italy, but you don't have almost any tourists walking the routes we were walking. So we went with a group of 10 friends, and throughout this whole walk we barely saw any tourists. We went in the high season, so in August, when it was good weather, so the weather is also very good, so it's definitely recommended to go in that period. It's not too hot in that time, and even then we didn't see too many people. So again, we really recommend this place. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends for a next vacation, and of course, if you want more of these videos, have a look and subscribe to my channel where I have way more videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.